At every stage of automotive development, from the initial concept to the final production, additive technology is enhancing the process holistically. Today, we explore the expanded possibilities that additive manufacturing brings to the automotive industry. With the adoption of additive manufacturing, automotive manufacturers can transition from design to production more swiftly than ever before, accelerating vehicle development and turning ideas into production rapidly. By reducing development costs and unleashing design freedom, additive manufacturing is reshaping industry standards, bringing unprecedented flexibility to your manufacturing process. We are committed to boosting your manufacturing productivity, cutting costs, and crafting new designs that enhance performance and meet the unique needs of your clients. Discover how to boost your production efficiency and maintain a competitive edge. Let us unlock the limitless possibilities of additive manufacturing in the automotive sector for you. Stay ahead of the curve and step into the future.